I will be uh, showing you my second assignment as a part of the Sci-Fi Lab workshop. In this video, I will be showing you the analysis and design of a seismic resistant building, which is carried out by two processes. Right, in this building, in this structure, I have defined the various material properties as well as the section properties. After defining of the material and section properties, I have carried out the seismic analysis by two methods, that is the response spectrum analysis method and time history analysis method, after which we can study the design of the various members of the G+23 story structure. So here right now we will be carrying out with the analysis of the seismic resistant structure using response spectrum method. So here you can see, as I am running the analysis for the G+23 storage structures after defining all of the properties of material as well as the section and using the auto select option. Here, as you can see, the creating analysis model and the analysis process is going on. The status of the analysis can be viewed under the right hand side bottom of the second window. The analysis of the structure may require some time, as it is a G+23 storage structure. After the analysis, we carry out the design of the same for verifying whether all the members are passing the design check or not. Further, if any member is not passing the design check, we change the property of the member using the auto select option and once again run the design analysis for the same, after which the members are likely to pass the design check. Here, as you can see, the analysis has progressed to 100%, and after the analysis, the displacement of the various joint can be observed. You can click any of the joint and check out the various displacement values, as well as you can see the story response plot after clicking in the display option. You can also view the deformed shape of the structure, that is for the seismic case or maybe the response spectrum case, as well as you can see the deformed shape of the structure in, that is the shear force diagram of any of the member as well as the bending moment diagram. Now we will carry out the time history analysis for the structure. After completion of the response spectrum, in the same video I am showing you the analysis and design of the seismic resistant building by using the time history method. So here once again, after unlocking the model, I am running the analysis for the same. Here the analysis is being carried out. You can see after the analysis, the displacement value of the different joints can be observed after clicking at each of the joint. Here the analysis progress can be seen at the right hand side of the bottom of the second window. After the analysis, we will carry out the design check for the different section of the beam and column. You can see the displacement as I mentioned earlier. Then we can go to design, concrete frame design, start design check, which will carry out the design of all the different section properties, that is the beam as well as column. After the design is completed, we can verify whether our design is properly passed or not. For that, we will go to concrete frame design, start design check. The design check will be carried out for all the beam section as well as the column section. After that, we can see the option of whether all of the members have passed the design check or not. For that, we will go to the verify all members passed. Here we get the messages all concrete frame passed the design check. That means we have correctly analyzed and designed the G+23 storage building. We can also view the different type of longitudinal reinforcement for any of the member. We can just click on the beam, right click, and then we can get the design report in which we can view the concrete frame design. Similarly, we can view the shear force and bending moment diagram by selecting the different axes for any of the member. Thank you.